The Planetary Society and other space and science organizations sent a letter to lawmakers, particularly the Appropriations Committee, urging them to protect NASA science in the upcoming budget bill. And as you know, a bipartisan group of lawmakers also sent a letter to the Appropriations Committee, urging them to protect NASA science in the upcoming budget bill as well. These cuts that they are proposing, what NASA science programs and missions are at risk of being cut?
NASA science kind of does everything that you hear about that isn't humans in space. It is the James Webb Space Telescope. It is the Hubble Space Telescope. It's the rovers on Mars. It's the missions at Pluto. It's the missions that observe Earth's climate and the sun. It's everything that returns kind of a scientific purpose. What NASA does or doesn't do with its science budget, basically has large repercussions for not just the nation, but the world, because it's just, there's no one else to do it. The proposal this year from the White House is to actually take that budget, that one third of NASA, and literally cut it in half, a 47% cut. And that's, that's historic, right? There's never been that large of a single year cut ever proposed. And of course, that would just decimate the projects. It would require turning off 20 space missions in space now that are returning good science, literally just turning them off and letting them tumble into the darkness. That's not an exaggeration. It turns off basically the pipeline of future missions that are under development, and there would be nothing coming down the pipeline in 5 years. And so it would grind our efforts that we've started since 1962 to explore the solar system, the cosmos, our own planet. It functionally would grind those to a halt in the next 5 years. So it's a catastrophic budget.